Now we are in our factory. I will introduce 1.5 custom door. It's just produced by our worker and now it's ready to be shipped. For this custom door, it's about 2 mm front panel and back panel. It's a custom panel, and the middle is a steel tube structure with 2.00 mm galvanized steel tube. As you can see, this door is very simple. The design is very simple, and it's also not so expensive. It's economic. It's very popular in China since many Chinese did not want to tell us that they are rich, but they want to be safety. So it meets them their requirement. Thanks.